guys, it's Andrea.
It's me, Dynah.
And welcome back to another video. So for today we're gonna do the
Slime
makeover challenge.
with a twist.
Yeah, with a twist.
So the twist is we were gonna pick our ingredients in some magic.
Yeah, it's very mystery, so let's get on with the video. So first round.
First round, we were gonna fix this small donut slime.
Yeah, they're very putty-like.
So the one that are store-bought. It's not homemade. I don't have ingredients.
So, but first we're gonna introduce our ingredients.
So we have water.
So you have glitters, a lot of glitters, paint, microphone beads, and lastly, the orange paint.
We have more.
Oh, we have more.
And we also have
Some lotion, which I wish I could get because these slimes are really hard, you know.
Not that hard. So we were gonna pick 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients per
Yeah.
slime.
Yeah. So yeah.
So, I'm so excited
Pick your
because
slime.
let's do rock paper scissors.
Okay, so this is the slime. If you can see it,
It's
because
not that stretchy.
sorry for that noise because the fan. It's just small because
because we don't have budget, Charlie.
Okay, so rock paper scissors. So go. Rock paper scissors shoot.
Rock paper scissors shoot.
Okay. For first ingredient.
Please be a good one. Choose.
Okay, choose.
Okay, I will choose lotion because I really need
Yep,
it.
the lotion.
Okay.
No, the small one at the back. No, the small. That's new. Okay, this one. Just put it over here.
So this is our lotion. So while I'm putting my lotion, you can pick one.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this one, so it's orange paint.
Ah! Here you go. Oh no.
Okay, so yeah. The orange paint is too hard. I can't open it.
Oh no, I think I put
Can you
too
open it?
much. My hands are very slippery.
The orange paint is too hard. I can't open it. I can't open it.
Go down.
Ah. Okay, wait. I'll be right back.
Okay. So this is my slime. It became really foggy because you know
I
I put
really
lotion.
can't open it.
Wait, I will try. I will. My hands are slippery. Guys,
So I think I'm gonna skip. Yeah, because the orange paint is.
I think it's dry already, so we're gonna pick another
No,
one.
it's not. Look, okay. I wish I can make. I'm trying to make galaxy slime, so I want to get black. Yellow paint.
Wow, very lucky. Galaxy slime.
Actually, the slime is color yellow.
Yeah. So mine's becoming really.
Oh. Actually,
Not that bad.
yeah, but I think I'm gonna make some yellow galaxy slime. I think.
What? Is there yellow
Yeah, I
galaxy?
don't think so.
Okay, so it's my turn now. Blue paint. Oh my shucks. Oh my shucks.
Okay, so
Okay.
my slime is turning like this.
I think mine will be green because
So my slime is turning like this. Show your slime, Andrea.
it's very like it's yellow, but it's kind of turning.
I want to add
Little
some
paint.
lotion.
No, I can't open it because my hands are.
What's your color?
Blue.
Blue. Wait,
Thank you, Mom.
wait. Okay, don't.
I'm just gonna dip it in my hands. Oh no. So here's my blue pink. The blue's water too. Okay, so I added blue.
some.
I think mine will be green.
Okay, so yeah, it's my turn. This one. What's this? Oh, wait.
Powder.
Wait, guys.
I think like this. I kind of like it. It's like a mermaid tail. I like it very. But I'm gonna add lotion. What happened? So Dynah needs to do something.
So this is the powder.
Okay. So what happened to your slime? Mine turned like greenish chuba. It's
Okay.
Kinda
I think
okay.
it will turn like buttery.
yours will be like a butter slime.
I hate it.
Mine is okay, but it's not the best.
So this is my slime. It's perfect yellow, but I don't like yellow.
I like yellow.
Okay.
Comment down below if you like yellow.
Okay. Oh my god, it's turning too hard. I cannot
Oh
actually poke it.
Yeah,
Look.
you need to pick lotion or water.
I really need water.
Okay, you pick now.
Oh yeah, I already picked the powder.
Oh yeah. No. Char. It's my turn. Red paint.
What?
Red
Oh,
paint.
yeah.
Aww.
I like your slime.
Yeah, because I added lotion. No, I don't want red paint. I don't know. I think it will turn like
Purple.
purple.
I wish I can get
Oh no, I cannot open it again.
Look, look at my slime. It's too
It will have.
it's too rippy actually. So I really need some guys.
Oh shucks. Oh no. Can I? Oh my gosh.
What happened?
My pants.
Oh, just do not
Okay. Can you open the red, please? Yay. Okay. It's not watery. So I will put red in my slime.
Okay, it's my turn. I think.
Please don't turn the bad. Don't turn bad.
Blue paint.
Ah!
Okay, I just add a lot so that it will turn. Yeah. I forgot.
turn
When you
green.
add when you add a lot of pink, it will turn like hard.
Mine's so ugly. Oh, it looks like
I wish I could get lotion.
it's
because-
purple, but yeah.
Oh yeah. Can I touch it? I like the texture.
Because I added lots of lotion.
Mine is turning like greenish, blackish titty. Look, it's not that. I think I will lose this round.
Yeah, because it's slime makeover, but we're not making it over. It's making it very ugly.
Okay, it's your turn.
Please be a good one. Blue paint again? I picked this already.
No, you can. You need. What? How many times did you pick na?
That's my last.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's my last one. Did you already add?
Ay, where am I? Oh no, I added blue. She added blue again. I don't know what
Okay,
color
so it's
was
my
it.
turn. I can get lower.
What did you pick?
Yellow pink. Oh wait.
Ay, you picked that
Wait,
already.
wait.
Where's your yellow paint?
Sabi ni Pedro, tita nandito daw mo. Okay lang.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we're vlogging. Say hi to the
Sabi ko
camera.
na eh, nagbablog yung mga yun.
So, this is my slime.
Oh, Andrea, help me clean.
Oh, yeah, of course. So,
Ay,
it
Yeah,
became
mine-
more red. I
mine
don't
is
know why.
Oh, I need to add more yellow. Because I picked yellow.
No, you picked it. Ah, okay na. Oh, wait. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. It's so hard.
What's that?
So, this is my slime. Huh?
A player.
Oh, we already vlog here.
Yeah.
Playroom too.
So, this is my slime. It's very ugly.
This is my slime.
Kumakay
yellow
ng slime.
Yep. So, this is our final product.
Excuse me.
Mine
I need
is...
to-
We're gonna picture it later. So,
We will take a picture.
so your texture is very bad, but the color is
Yeah.
very nice too. But mine,
just-
the color is very bad, but the texture is
Yeah.
nice. Okay, so
So,
on the second round.
Extend data sila.
For the second round, we have two different slimes. Mine will be the blue one.
so this
So
is
it's
the
very
slime. I like
rippy.
the texture.
Mine's very rippy.
Okay,
So,
so
we're
I
gonna pick. Okay, you pick first.
Okay, so I got
They're,
No,
they're
red
looking
paint
for an
international.
international audience.
yeah, so I got red paint.
Okay, so while you're putting your green, I'm gonna pick. Wait.
I need to add a lot.
Juice!
What juice?
I think I'm gonna put lotion again because mine's very rippy. Okay, so I'm gonna add the
Oh
same
my
lotion.
god, what happened?
Ano yan, lotion?
Yeah.
Ah,
Why no one's get?
oh my god.
Oh wait. No. Oh no. It's not for me.
Oh my god. I want to add some beads. Okay, show it. Isaw. Mine is too hard. Okay, it's your turn. Oh,
Oh, it's
I have
your turn.
more. Wait, I have more. Okay, it's my turn. Juice of lotion.
Okay, you got it. Oh, it's forming again. Mine's forming, but it's very
Oh,
still rippy. Oh no.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay,
you
so-
need to do this, oh.
So I'm gonna pick
Ganyan lang siya to.
white paint.
White paint.
So, but first I'm gonna add more lotion because look at mine.
Oh yeah, same.
Pag sila, busy sila.
Okay, can have it. I am not adding a lot.
Oh shucks. I don't know what's happening.
Gulaman.
Yeah, gulaman. They don't know gulaman. What's the
Gulaman.
English?
Oh, Jello. Joke lang. Oh, yeah.
We're vlogging.
Hindi na muna yung piano mo.
Oh no, sorry for that lady.
So, ano, palatas-tas.
Palatastas.
What do you call that?
Commercial.
Yeah, commercial.
Palatastas.
Oh no, mine's not for me.
Palatastas.
Oh, they will vote the ano.
Yeah, the winner.
Yeah. For the. Oh yeah, for
Your criteria is the texture
And
and
the-
presentation.
Yeah.
Ito po. Tayo raw mag-vote ng slime. Ano alam namin sa slime?
Texture. I just.
You need to feel it.
So this is my slime.
Ano po na?
Oh yeah, I think it's your. It's
Wait,
my.
I'm gonna,
It's
yeah,
my
it's
Ano,
your
ano,
turn.
ano?
It's your turn. I'm now gonna can you?
Okay, so I.
Wow, your texture.
Water.
Yeah, you're so lucky. Can you open the white?
My hands is too slippery. the green is for for presentation.
Oh.
Open.
Wait, can you open this one
Yes,
first?
no vlogger.
Why is yours so very nice?
Because, you know.
What?
Okay, so.
Okay.
Can you open the white?
I can open it this one.
Ate, can you open the white?
No.
Please? The white paint.
The green one. Andrea.
Uy,
Tingin mo ka.
sira ulo ka. Yan.
No, that's not white.
Hindi naman kasi natatapon, no?
Oh my god.
Ewan ko ba sa'yo, ba't
Excuse me.
Oh no.
bakit mo naman nagkalit sa malaki?
Ano, mata.
The blue one.
At least malaki, marami ka malalagay.
Yes.
Sorry.
I think the white paint's not available, so I'm gonna get that.
Hindi naman white.
Not available. Oh my god.
Oh,
We are messing. We are messing the.
Choose second! Okay. I think I'm gonna put.
Oh, it's your turn.
I think I'm gonna put water because Dynah's
So,
turn.
okay, it's my turn.
Just put water.
Black paint. Oh, yeah, I can have the chance. I can pick the glitters and the galaxies.
What if we can? Okay, this is a free round, so I think we're gonna pick a lot of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
Because we
In the
can-
second, in this round, we're gonna pick 5.
I think we're gonna pick it all.
No.
It will be a challenge.
No. You open the flower.
So our paint is not available because we cannot open it.
I forgot to.
Hindi yung pink. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Wait, can you get the lotion?
I think we will get. I don't know. Ulitin kaya natin to. Ito na lang yung.
What?
No, we're gonna redo the.
And then
We're gonna do a
It's free
makeover
country, you can
again.
speak Tagalog.
makeover, but they're not gonna.
No, we were gonna do a makeover with this.
Okay, in the next video, we're gonna do a makeover
With
of
this.
our.
Part 2.
Yes, comment down below for
Oh
part.
my gosh, comment down below.
Ako to comment dyan.
Yeah.
Okay, so the black one is not available. What kind of makeover is this?
Wait, can you get the lotion?
Beads! Yes, I
Lotion.
got beads. Oh, that's enough!
Hey,
No.
lotion.
Hey, that's enough. Okay, I can add the foam beads. I mean
You're
foam.
so lucky.
I like foam beads.
It's so
Oh, nice. So what happened?
Yeah, mine's very like not that.
Oh my god, I think I like this. I need to add more lotion.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, so it's my turn.
I need to add more foam beads.
Choose again.
Oh, the
Yes.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna add beads too. So that it will fix the texture. Shucks.
It will fly like a ball.
Oh, it's not sticking. It's not sticking.
Ay?
Oh, look at the texture. Oh, you're not. Snow.
Yee.
Ayoko yung turong doon,
The lotion is inconvenient. Oh.
Dito?
Hey, look at mine.
Oh, I like
the
the
foam is
texture.
just not sticking.
Because it's not sticking.
That's a logical explanation.
I want to do the 3 marker challenge.
Here, we did that already.
Add more.
Okay, so
Magic syrup.
My slime is very not good.
Horrible. Oh,
Yeah.
you need to Oh, it's your last try to pick.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Wow! That's so good! What happened to mine?
Ayun, sa'yo, Madison, parang ano.
Yeah. Frozen.
It's orange pink is not available. Invalid.
Okay.
Joke. Diyos ko lang eh.
Diyos ko na.
Lotion?
No, you picked that already.
No, it's okay.
No, you picked that already.
Oops. Caution, hot surface.
Oh, it's so fun. Oh, it's very bad.
The lotion is not available.
It's empty, so you need to rub it.
Caution, not available.
Yeah.
Ay,
I think
I'm getting there.
Andrea.
I might lose this. Look at mine.
Okay, the loser will get a punishment. She will clean all of this.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shucks, what happened?
Ah!